it's Preeti, and I am currently pursuing my degree in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in ECE department. Today I am going to explain one of the topic in basic electronics, and I chosen topic wiring system. Let me know about the wiring system. To know about wiring system, first we have to know about what is wiring. A wiring system is a network of wires that are connected various accessories for distribution of electrical energy from supplier meter board to a variety of electrical energy consuming devices. It's a connection of network of wires. It consists of various accessories which distributes the electric energy from one point to another point. And we have four types of wiring. Those are client wiring, casing and capping wiring, wooden pattern wiring, and conduit wiring. These are the four types of wiring. First, we know about the client wiring. What do you mean by client wiring? It's a kind of temporary system wiring and it is not suitable for domestic usage. This client wiring cannot be used for domestic usage. For example, it can be used in construction of buildings. The clients are made up of two halves. One half is grooved through which wire passes through one half, while the other fits over the first. The whole assembly is then mounted on the wall or a wooden beam with the help of screws. Here you can see in the picture they used three screws and top of the, as I mentioned in the slide, two halves. One is top half and another one is bottom half. They use a two-way clamp and three-way clamp for this clamp wiring construction. And these can we should know about the advantages of clamp wiring. Advantages are this is the one of the cheapest method. It can be installed very quickly and very easily. It is the cheapest method. Inspection and changes can be made very easily. Any damage is there, we can replace it very easily. And the disadvantages. This method do not give attractive appearance as it is in dull in appearance, and dust and dirt collects on client as it is kept in open field, and the wires are directly exposed to atmosphere. For example, light, air, water, it will be exposed to atmosphere. And the second step is casing and capping wiring. This type of wiring is used for residential buildings like hotels, schools, managements, etc. In this method, casing is rectangular strip made from teak wood or PVC. It has two grooves into which the wire are laid. The casing is covered with a rectangular strip of wood of same width called capping. The capping is screwed into casing and is fixed to the walls with the help of proclaim discs or clamps. As you can see in the figure, there is the space for wires inside, and above that casing is done. Above that casing, capping should be done, and PVC it is capping is done by the use of PVC. And advantages of casing and capping wire, they are the good protection to the conductors from dangerous atmospheric conditions like catching of fire, etc. They are neat and clean appearance. They will be good in appearance. And disadvantages, the method is costly. To install this, we need more amount and required of skilled labor. Skilled labor should be required for the installation of these wires and high risks of fire. And the third type is wooden batten wiring, a type of wiring which is done on concrete drive walls as a long and smooth wooden batten by means of passing wires through the clips installed at an equal distance through brass nails is known as a batten wiring. As you can see in the picture, they use a PVC cable and steel clip batten to limp holder and supply and the switch. The clamp and the batten and cable are the components of this wooden batten wiring. And the advantages are installation is easy, extension is possible, easy to locate the fault as the wires are open. And the disadvantages are unsafe from mechanical damages, lifespan is short. In case of short circuit, wood can easily catch fire. As it is made up of wood, it can easily catch fire. And the fourth type is conducting wire. In this method, metallic tubes as conduits are used to run the wires. This the best system of wiring as it full mechanically protection to the wires. Depending on whether the conduits are laid inside the wall or supported on the walls. There are two types of conduit wiring which are laid inside the wall or supported by the wall. Surface conduct wiring. In this conduct wiring, supported on the walls with the help of pipe books or saddles. As you can see in the figure, surface conduct wiring it is laid on the walls. And next, concealed conducting wiring. In this method, the conduct are buried under the wall. A wall is made up of small space between the wall and it is laid inside the wall at some of the plastering and plastering is done on it. This is also called as resisted conduct wiring. Then advantages are it is durable and long lasting. It requires very less maintenance. It protects the wire from fire hazards as it does not catch fire easily. And disadvantages are the repairs are very difficult in the case of concealed conduct wiring because the wires are laid inside the wall after the plastering and before the plastering the conducting wirings are installed, so repair is cannot is very difficult. This method is very costly. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.